Hey guys, welcome back to another quick how-to. So today I'll be teaching you on how to install two WhatsApp application on your Android device. So first, you need to have two phone numbers to have two dual WhatsApp. So you cannot install two instances of WhatsApp with the same number. That is not possible, okay? So buy first two phone numbers, then there are three ways to install two WhatsApp on Android. Use the built-in dual apps feature. Next is some other phones have a built-in dual apps feature that allows you to create a clone of an app. So this is the easiest way to install two WhatsApp, but not all phones have this feature. So using WhatsApp and WhatsApp Business on the same phone, so using a third-party app, if your phone doesn't have the built-in dual app feature, then you can use a third-party app to clone WhatsApp. So there are many different third-party apps available, but some of the most popular ones are the Parallel Space, App Cloner, and Dual App. So today I will show you how to use the built-in Dual Apps feature on your Android phone. So first is you have to check your settings if you do have the feature in your phone. So go to settings and look for the dual apps, the app clone, app twin, or parallel apps options. If you don't see these options, then your phone doesn't support the dual apps. So what phones usually have this option? So here are some of the Android phones that support dual apps: Samsung Galaxy series, Xiaomi Redmi series, and then Oppo Reno series, Vivo V series, Huawei Mate series, Honor series, and others. So for this video, I'm using a Xiaomi Android. So let's just go to our phone settings. And then here at the top, let's use the search bar and then type out dual apps. Okay, so here is the dual apps option. So you just have to click on it. Okay, so now use the search bar to search for a specific app that you want to clone, or you can just scroll down and find that app. So here is the WhatsApp. So I will then just going to click on it and then make sure to toggle this switch on to make a clone app for the WhatsApp application. So you can see the new WhatsApp application is added to your drawer. So let's go uncheck it. Okay, so you can see the first WhatsApp application at the top. So right here, you can see that this application has a symbol of the dual feature. Okay, so you can also use the search bar to search for the WhatsApp application. Okay, so let's go back right here and then open that. Okay, and then after that, you'll be able to choose your language and then click on this button right here to save your changes. And then if you have misclicked the language, you can click on it again and then select your language. Now just click on agree and continue. Okay, and then right here you just have to select your country, and then below you can type out here your second phone number, since we're using our other phone number in the other WhatsApp application. So let's use our second phone number right here. Now after that, you just have to click on next and then click on yes to confirm that this is your number, and then a code will be sent to the number that you have typed out. Okay, and then after that, you just have to click on continue to verify your phone number. And then right here, you can allow to connect your contacts. Okay, and then you can also skip this right here or give permission directly. And then click on a skip if you don't want to create a passkey. Okay, so right here you can now go to the chats, updates, calls, or use the search icon at the top to look for your recipient. Okay, so this is the second application, which is the clone WhatsApp application. So now you can start messaging or calling the people that you want to have a conversation. Okay, so that's a wrap. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more quick how to videos next time. Adios.